All right, welcome back to Unbox and Chill, guys. Thank you so much for stopping in, checking out my desk studio here. And we've got an unboxing, of course, that's why we're here. I do want to say at the top of the video, though, we're right in the middle of our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. If you can hear my voice, hit that subscribe button. There's actually 3 ways to enter the giveaway. Hit the subscribe button on this YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and then go to the link in the description box below and drop me your email address. I won't contact you with any spam or none of that garbage. I will only contact you if you win. Information is in the description box below, okay? Gonna send somebody a pretty cool watch, all right? Also, we have something pretty cool to unbox. So this one is from watchgang.com. I will say that if you don't know, it's a monthly subscription box service where they send you a watch every month. This particular watch, though, is actually from their watch wheel. So essentially, you can purchase watches, you can add it to a wheel, that wheel will spin, or you can purchase points. Basically that wheel will spin, and you may win a watch that is, I guess, a higher value than what you paid for it. So this is what we got here. Let's get into it. Here we go. So now, as you see this here, you see the 8, and first I was thinking 8-ball like poker, but this is actually from the brand AV8. So I will say I actually do really like this box. I'm kind of like a plain nerd a little bit. I don't know if anybody's ever noticed. I did point this out in the previous video. This is a plane, just made out of bullet shells. But this is a like a little model plane here. I'm kind of into planes. I don't know if you guys know that. So this brand really does kind of speak to me. But they're kind of modern pilot watches here. AV8. So had to check it out. Had to go for it. Let's go ahead and open this up here. So you got this outer box. It's definitely just a cardboard number, but it's not too bad. We'll put that to the side here. Now the inner box is something to look at here. So it does have a nice texture on it. It's essentially it's like a fabric. I mean, it's fabric lined. As you can see, there's a stitch in there. So I will say it's a cardboard box, definitely. But the fact that they tried to jazz it up a little bit, they definitely get some points from me. So it's not just a paper box or just a cardboard box. Looks like they did try to dress it up. So that's a nice touch, I will say. And then, of course, the box is just going to go in the closet anyway, right? All right, let's pop this open. And right here, you've got the foam. You've got AV8 here. And then that's padded in there. That's nice. So we'll move that to the side. You've got your normal... this is the Hawker Hunter, by the way. You've got your normal books and stuff. We'll go ahead and toss that to the side. And you've got the watch in all its glory. And this thing really looked interesting to me. I really wanted to check it out. You got your silica gel. Don't ingest that. But, guys, this is the... Hold on, looks like I got a smudge on it here. This is the Hawker Hunter. Before I go in, let me also show you guys real quick. I'm wearing the Terra Cello Mare. This is the it's usually more of a dressy piece, but I put this mesh, aftermarket mesh on it. I just kind of wear it casually, but it's a automatic chronograph, my only automatic chronograph. So, but all right, let's go in and we'll check this one out. Let's go in for some detail shots here. So, guys, this is the Hawker Hunter. I'm pretty sure this has a Seiko movement in it. It doesn't say on the website. It just says Japanese automatic 3-hand with open heart display. But I want to believe that this is I think it's the NH38, or is it the 6 that has, I think that's set up for open heart. I'm not entirely sure, but I want to believe it's a Seiko movement, but of course it doesn't say it, which is kind of weird. But the thing is, it's too nice of a watch for it to just have some nondescript, kind of cheapy Chinese movement in it that's usually off by like a couple minutes a day. This to me, well, not that the NH movements are also, but this to me should at least be an NH movement. It's what's probably in here if I had to guess, but I'm not entirely sure and it doesn't say. Let's go ahead and check it out. Let's take it off the pillow here. Here we go. And so you've got that it's definitely it's skeletonized, as you can see there. It looks like it has something, kind of a clear dial there that does have the numbers. It is set up like a pilot's watch. You can see the numbers, the indices there. I do like the open heart, and I do like on the dial here how they have this AV8 and some, kind of almost the elements, the indices and everything look like they're almost floating. I do like that. The crown also as well. I can't tell you how many watches usually have small crowns. Obviously, it's a pilot's watch, so I'm assuming the crown's a little bit bigger. But it is nice to see a watch with a big crown. I know a lot of pilots' watches have big crowns, but it's something that's really nice to see to me. Just because I'm a guy with big hands, and I feel like a lot of times I end up seeing or trying to wind a watch, and the crown is just entirely too small. So that is nice to see. Bracelet does feel solid. Feels like a nice bracelet. Doesn't feel super cheap. Doesn't feel like a super rattly cheap bracelet. You do have a nice clasp here, so it's not that cheap clasp either. And that's kind of my thing. The bracelet feels solid. It does have a really nice clasp. You can tell they put some care into it. I don't think they would have just put some generic, kind of no-name, just say on the website it just says Japan Automatic. So some no-name Japanese movement. I would imagine this is a Seiko movement in this. And let's see here. So you do have also on the back, let me see if I can try to open this up here. I do like the back as well. As you can see, you've got that exhibition case back there. You can see you've got that custom rotor there that has the, looks like it has some of the same plain insignia on it. Let's see if we can take this off too. Oh, there we go. We'll take that off. All right, nothing on there. Let's see if there's something on the buckle. Yep, okay, on the buckle you've got AV8 etched in there, so that's very nice as well. It says AV8. Overall, guys, a very nice piece. Really simple, honestly. Like I said, it's skeletonized. It does have that open heart there. It does have the... I do like how everything appears to be kind of floating on it. In terms of the specifications, it just says Japanese movement. We don't know what it is. It could be a Miyota, maybe. It could be a could be a Seiko movement. It does have a case size of 44 millimeters. It does have a case thickness of 14 millimeters. Okay. It does have essentially a 52 millimeter lug to lug. It does say sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating, so definitely sapphire crystal. And that's my thing, kind of higher end stuff here. We're not talking about mineral crystal and cheapy bracelet, cheapy clasp. So someone took the time to put a nice bracelet on it, a nice clasp, a nice exhibition case back, and a sapphire lens. So definitely, I doubt it has some super crappy movement in it. Applied indices with Swiss Luminova. We'll check out the lume here in a second. Solid stainless steel bracelet. It just says that the band is this is a 22 millimeter. And then it does say that it weighs 170 grams. So let's see if we can turn off the the lights here at my desk studio briefly, or best we can. Let's check out the lume here. So I've got my NTH black light here. Let's see here. Oh, looks like it's unscrewing there. There we go. Came with one of the NTH watches I got. Here we go. All right, let's check that out. So that's gonna line up real nice there. Yeah, very nice. Very nice lume on this too. Decent lume, and that's my thing. Decent lume, decent lume. Probably not amazing, but definitely decent lume, decent bracelet, decent clasp, nice sapphire lens. There's no way they put some junky movement in this. I just wish they would tell us what it is. So I don't know. But like I said, guys, let me know what you think about this watch here. As I turn the lights back on. Let me know what you think about this watch here. Is this one you would wear? Would you add this one to your collection? I think it's pretty dope looking. They do make one in red. I thought about trying to get the red one. That has, I guess, you see where the blue accents are. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, see where the blue accents are. They are red accents. Is this something that you would add to your collection? Is there room in your collection for something like this? So I know sometimes people don't like a skeletonized dial. Or I guess AV8 in general, sometimes their stuff's a little too modern. People kind of, maybe kind of want to shy away from that. They like the more classic look. Let me know what you think. Actually, let me try it on my wrist. I'm sorry. Let me try it on my wrist real quick. There we go. I'm about to sign off and I forgot to put it on. Here we go. All right, guys. Just for reference, 8¼ inch wrist. 8¼ inch wrist. So there it is. 44mm Aviate Hawker Hunter Avalon. Hawker Hunter Avalon. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, guys. Sound off. This has been Unbox and Chill. Signing out.